Passing the Google Cloud Professional Data Engineer exam, tips and tricks. Preparing for the Google Cloud Professional Data Engineer exam requires a combination of technical knowledge, practical experience, and exam-specific strategies. Here are some steps you can take to help you prepare for the exam. Familiarize yourself with the exam content. The first step is to read through the exam guide and understand the exam format, objectives, and topics covered. The exam guide provides a detailed breakdown of the topics covered in the exam and the percentage of questions that will be asked on each topic. Gain practical experience. The exam will test your practical skills and knowledge, so it's important to gain hands-on experience with Google Cloud Platform, GCP, services, tools, and technologies. You can start by setting up a GCP account and practicing with the services and tools relevant to the exam. Study relevant documentation. Google provides extensive documentation on its GCP services, including user guides, tutorials, and API references. You should study the documentation relevant to the exam topics and practice using the services and tools. Use online training resources. Google offers a range of online training resources, including courses, labs, and certification preparation guides, to help you prepare for the exam. You can also find third-party training providers that offer courses and practice exams. Take practice exams. Taking practice exams can help you identify areas of weakness and give you an idea of the exam format and difficulty level. Google provides practice exams that simulate the actual exam experience. Join study groups and communities. Joining study groups and communities can provide you with a forum to ask questions, share knowledge, and learn from others preparing for the same exam. Take care of yourself. Preparing for an exam can be stressful, so it's important to take care of yourself. Get enough rest, eat well, and exercise regularly to keep your mind and body in good condition. Remember, the key to success in the Google Cloud Professional Data Engineer exam is a combination of technical knowledge, practical experience, and exam-specific strategies. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of passing the exam and achieving certification. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.